So you're worried about getting an erection during your pelvic health therapy session. I completely understand your concerns around the pelvic health examination. A lot of guys that I work with also have very similar concerns. So let's get a couple things straight here. Since the pelvic examination entails a part of the body that, when touched, activates certain nerve receptors that communicate with the erection centers of the spine and the brain, an erection during a session is not uncommon. In fact, it's actually more common than you would think. And spontaneous ejaculation may also happen during the session. It really just depends. So what do you do about that, right? How do you handle that or navigate that with your therapist? Well, therapists who are experienced working with men should know that these situations may happen and should discuss this with you prior to any physical examination. And it's really helpful to break the ice ahead of time so that you both can feel comfortable during your session. If your therapist doesn't bring it up, a gentle nudge from you would be super helpful. Ask the question or just name that you're nervous about getting an erection and how you two can work around that. Again, your therapist should comfortably and respectfully address these concerns with you. You may also want to think about what would make you feel most comfortable during your session with your therapist. So for example, what do you do or what would you want to have happen should you get an erection during a session? Maybe think about draping or having a sheet or a blanket over your body, or perhaps having the therapist step out of the room. Maybe you direct your therapist to touch elsewhere. These are things that I think are super important to address with your therapist ahead of time so that you two can navigate the situation as comfortably and as respectfully as possible. So, yes, is it common for an erection to happen during a session? It can, for sure, just because we're touching parts that respond to touch in a way that activates sexual organs. Is it an issue for both patient and provider? No, it doesn't have to be, as long as we're responding in a professional and respectful way. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the like button below. This will help other guys in your situation also find these resources sooner than later. If you're a penis owner who's currently struggling with pelvic pain, you're not alone. Check out the Men's DIY Pelvic Pain Relief Program. The link is in the description below.